Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a panda. A panda is a wild animal. The next one is a crocodile. This is a crocodile. A crocodile. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on
A
his farm
kangaroo.
he had a
This is a kangaroo.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a
The next animal is giraffe. This is giraffe.
E-I-E-I-O.
The next animal is
Old MacDonald had a farm,
a deer.
E-I-E-I-O.
This is a
And on
deer.
his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O.
A deer.
Here
The
and a
next animal is
there,
a gorilla. This is gorilla. A camel. This is camel. The next animal is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next one is the next animal is a rooster. This is a rooster. A rooster. The next animal is a hen. This is a hen. A dog. This is a dog. The next animal is a duck. This is a duck.